So in this video we will customize our graph from the WEBGRO MD simulation data. So for that we have to install Windows subsystem for Linux Ubuntu. So here is a full pipeline for our work. So first make a working directory in C drive, give any name for that, and paste MD simulation TPR XTC and top file in the working directory. Make a folder, give any name, and from your raw data that obtained from the WEBGRO MD simulation, select this three file, copy this and paste in the working directory. Then you can see install Ubuntu and GROMAX. You can follow any YouTube video for install that. Now open Ubuntu. I have already installed Ubuntu and GROMAX. So after opening the Ubuntu, you have to open your working directory. So this is the file name, folder name. So we are now in our working directory. Then you can check your file list. You can see that there are three files in this folder. You can also check the GROMAX version. So this is the latest version. Now the most important task is clean trajectory, remove PBC. For that, this is the code for remove PBC. So from that you should select the protein group, and the protein group is in group 1. This is what we want to center. This is the protein group. So input is selected 1, then output should be system. So select group output. System is group 0, which include protein, ligand plus water. So enter 0. It is working. This command will take some times. Then fit trajectory, remove rotation or translation. For that, this code should be used. So you can see that there are several groups. From that you should select the backbone group 4. So we will use backbone group that was 4 in input and also in output. So it's working, fitting trajectory. After completion this, we will separate the RMSD values. For that, copy this code and paste in the Ubuntu. After that, we should select our backbone for RMSD calculation. So input and output will be 4. Then you can see that this is working. It will take several minutes, so I have skipped this time. Now you can see that there is created a RMSD XBG file. Now you will open it in the notepad, and you can see that the upper text shouldn't require for us. We will delete this. The number text will be copied and pasted in the Excel file. So you can see that these numbers are not separated in two columns. These all numbers in one column. So we should go to data and text to columns. From here, delimited, then next, and click space and next and finish. So you can see that this data has separated into columns. Now denote them in X and Y, and then select the X cell and press Ctrl Shift and right key, then Ctrl Shift and down key. Then go to the insert, and from that scatter and select this. So you can see that this is the RMSD graph. You can compare it with your WEBGRO RMSD graph. So this is our WEBGRO RMSD graph. And this is our created RMSD graph. We can customize this graph. We can simply modify this graph, add axis titles, rename the title into RMSD. Axis y-axis should be RMSD, and x-axis should be time in nanosecond, and should be remove the grid lines. After that, you can add the all side border. Okay, this was a simple graph. Similarly, do this for RMSF, radius of gyration, and SASA. So this is a simple table for input and output group. You can follow this. Thank you.